everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you a little bit about automated text date restrictions and how to stay compliant with that in Command. So we'll talk about where you can find those settings and change them. If you're using Twilio to send automated texts through your smart plans in Command, there are some legal compliance related restrictions that you need to be aware of and to take action on. So a couple of states in the United States limit which days you are legally allowed to send automated texts to consumers. So the general idea with those laws in specific states is that you can't send automated texts on Sundays and some specific state or federal holidays that are restricted as well. So those restrictions aren't based on where you, the agent, live, but rather they're based on where the contacts live that you are sending text messages to. So first thing we want to do is we want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com. We're signed in here with our KW login credentials. Now we're going to click our name in the top right corner, and we are going to click Settings. Once that loads, on the left-hand side, we are going to click Command Settings. And from there, we're going to click Smart Plans and Time and Date. So up top, you have the settings for your time zone where you can set the time zone for your smart plans for actually those text steps. But down below is really where we want to focus is these text date restrictions. So you'll see a table appearing right here that has the restrictions that are applied based off of the choice we select here. So the question is, do any of your contacts live in Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Dakota, or Utah, as those are the states that have limits there. So if you know for a fact that any of your contacts live in those states, you would want to select yes. And from there, you can select which states your contacts live in. And you'll notice those restricted dates will be added in your restricted date, and it will give the reason there as well. So you can select or deselect different ones, whichever you want, and you'll notice what states that they are restricted by as well. If you know for a fact that none of your contacts live in any of those states, you can select no. And if you are not sure if it's unknown or if you're not sure if some of your contacts have moved without telling you or anything like that, we would just recommend selecting unknown, as it restricts all of the Sundays and US federal holidays. We'll apply those by default, so you can scroll down and see that list right there. Will have the restricted date, so Sundays are restricted, as well as your federal holidays are restricted through here. Now, one thing to know, if an automated text is scheduled to send on a restricted date from a smart plan, it will be delayed until the next permitted date. So all of the remaining steps will also be delayed until after the text is sent. For example, if your smart plan is scheduled to send on a Sunday, then it will wait to send it until the following Monday, unless it's a federal holiday. But I would send it on the following day, and then all of the other steps in your smart plan would be pushed back a day as well, so that they are still spaced out properly. So if you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to let us know. Once you've done your changes here, you'll just click Save Changes and they will be updated for you for there. If you have any questions or run into any snags, again, just feel free to reach out to us via email. That email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a great rest of your day.